Welcome to the top best. The best mini pretzel crisps are probably one of the most versatile and satisfying snacks available, offering a delightful crunch and savory flavor that appeals to a wide range of palates. Whether you're looking for a light and airy treat to enjoy on its own, a sturdy base for your favorite dips and spreads, or an ingredient to add texture to your culinary creations, these bite-sized wonders are a fantastic choice for any occasion, from casual snacking to more sophisticated entertaining. Number 5. Rip Van Wafels Mini Stroopwafels. Craving a delicious treat? Now you can satisfy your cravings with these mini Stroopwafels. They're the perfect guilt-free indulgence. Enjoy the rich, caramel flavor without the carbs. Each bite delivers a satisfying taste while keeping your net carbs low at just 3 grams. These snacks are designed to fit your lifestyle. They are keto-friendly and made with non-GMO ingredients for a snack you can feel good about. Need a quick pick-me-up? Keep these mini Stroopwafels in your office or bag for a convenient and low-calorie snack. They only have 34 calories each. Experience delightful sweetness with minimal sugar. With only 1 gram of sugar per serving, you can enjoy a touch of sweetness anytime. This convenient 32-pack ensures you always have a tasty snack on hand. Perfect for sharing with family, friends, or colleagues. What we like? These are perfect for those watching their carb intake. With only 3g net carbs and 1g of sugar, they are a guilt-free indulgence. If you are on a keto diet or simply looking for a healthier sweet treat, these are an excellent choice. What people say? These are the best pretzel crisps I have ever had. They are the perfect size for dipping. I love the crunch and the flavor. Number 4. SNYDER'S of Hanover Mini Pretzels 100 Calorie Packs. Introducing SNYDER'S of Hanover Mini Pretzels, the perfect snack for on the go. Enjoy these classic pretzel twists in convenient individual portions. Each pack is perfectly portioned at just 100 calories, making it easy to manage your snacking. They are ideal for lunchboxes, office drawers, or your gym bag. This value pack contains 36 individual bags, ensuring you have plenty of your favorite snack on hand. Stock up and never run out of this delicious treat. Experience the satisfying crunch and classic flavor you love from SNYDER'S of Hanover. These mini pretzels are baked to perfection for a delightful taste. Whether you need a quick bite or a guilt-free indulgence, these pretzels are your go-to choice. Grab a pack and enjoy a tasty moment anytime, anywhere. What we like? These come in convenient 100-calorie packs, making portion control a breeze. They are great for packing in lunches or for a quick snack on the go. If you need a simple, no-fuss snack that helps you manage your calorie intake, these are ideal. What people say? The pretzel crisps are a great snack option, offering a satisfying crunch with a light, airy texture. These mini pretzel crisps are perfectly seasoned, providing a balanced flavor that complements various dips and spreads. The convenient resealable bag makes them easy to store and keeps them fresh for longer periods. Number 3. Snack Factory Original Pretzel Crisps. Introducing Snack Factory Pretzel Crisps, the perfect snack for any occasion. Enjoy the satisfying crunch and classic flavor in every bite. These are our classic original flavor pretzel crisps, a timeless favorite that never disappoints. They offer a simple yet delicious taste that everyone will love. Each bag is perfectly portioned for on-the-go enjoyment. Grab one for a quick and easy snack whenever hunger strikes. With 10 individual bags, they are ideal for sharing with family and friends. Make your next gathering a little more special with these delightful treats. Whether you're looking for a light bite or a satisfying crunch, these crisps are sure to hit the spot. Enjoy them anytime, anywhere. What we like? Experience a satisfying crunch with every bite. The classic flavor is a crowd pleaser, perfect for any occasion. If you love a light, crispy snack that delivers on traditional pretzel taste, these are a fantastic option for parties or everyday munching. What people say? These are so crispy and delicious, perfect for snacking. Great taste and texture, I love the crunch. A satisfying snack that's not too heavy. Number 2. Snack Factory Pretzel Crisps Original on-the-go Bag. Introducing the perfect snack for your busy lifestyle. Enjoy the satisfying crunch and classic flavor anytime, anywhere. These are conveniently packaged for on-the-go enjoyment. Take them with you to the office, on a hike, or wherever your day takes you. Experience the timeless taste you love. The original flavor is a simple yet delicious choice for any occasion. This pack comes with multiple bags, perfect for sharing with friends and family. Or, keep them all to yourself for a personal treat. Elevate your snacking experience with these unique pretzel crisps. They offer a delightful twist on a classic favorite. What we like. Enjoy a more substantial snack with these larger bags. They are perfect for sharing with family or friends, or for when you need a more generous portion. If you are looking for a convenient snack for gatherings or a satisfying treat for yourself, this pack offers great value. What people say. These are a great alternative to chips. They are thin and crispy and have a good flavor. I love these pretzel crisps. They are perfect for dipping in hummus or salsa. The mini pretzel crisps are a good snack for kids. They are easy to eat and not too messy. Number 1. Rolled Gold Tiny Twist Pretzels. Introducing Rolled Gold Tiny Twist Pretzels. These perfectly seasoned, bite-sized pretzels are a classic snack for any occasion. Enjoy the satisfying crunch in every bite. With a convenient 1-ounce size, these pretzels are ideal for on-the-go snacking or packing in lunches. They offer a delicious and satisfying treat anytime, anywhere. Rolled Gold Tiny Twists have been a beloved snack for generations. Their simple, wholesome ingredients and classic taste make them a hit with everyone. This value pack includes 40 individual bags, ensuring you always have your favorite snack on hand. It's perfect for parties, events, or just stocking up your pantry. Savor the authentic, baked-to-perfection flavor that Rolled Gold is known for. These tiny twists deliver a big, salty crunch that's simply irresistible. Need a quick and tasty snack? Reach for these classic pretzels. Their light and airy texture combined with a satisfying saltiness makes them the perfect pick-me-up. What we like. Get that classic, salty pretzel taste in a fun, twisted shape. This bulk pack ensures you'll always have a snack on hand. If you're a fan of traditional pretzels and want a cost-effective option for stocking your pantry, these are a solid choice. What people say. These are the best pretzel crisps I have ever had. They are so light and crispy and have just the right amount of salt. I love the variety of flavors available. My favorite is the honey mustard, but the cinnamon sugar is also delicious. These are perfect for dipping in hummus or salsa. They are sturdy enough to hold up to a good amount of dip without breaking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.